just show the Greenworks?
Yeah, the G-Max.
Let me go around the other side here.
16 or 18 inch, I think 16 inch. Yeah, this is a G-Max 16 inch Greenworks electric. And the 4 amp battery is just the right size, because when that runs out, then you also need to refill the chain oil. So it's the 4 amp battery will do the correct run.
Can you tell me why you like to use the battery-powered chainsaw?
Oh yeah, it's a lot quieter, and they start every time. The gasoline ones, there's no fumes, and there's really no cost other than a few pennies to recharge the battery. So it's way better. And I have like we say, we got a big Ryobi 56 inch 20 inch saw for doing larger jobs, and this is great for this little cut up. We have a couple of these. Yeah, you can, for the price of one Husqvarna or Stihl electric saw, you can buy 3 or 4 of the Greenworks or other brands. So it just makes sense to
So this was a dead branch, right?
What's that?
This was a dead branch on the maple tree.
It was a dying branch, large. It was on its way out. You can see from the end the foliage that already was stripped. Yeah, there's always enough naturally fallen trees. One doesn't have to cut down healthy trees, to have firewood. It's amazing how much wood is produced each year.